genuine, and hardworking. If I was a superhero, I don't think I'd need a punchline. I think people would just be happy. I'd just come and flash a smile and they'd know that, hey, that's Manushi there. My guilty pleasure is cheese and chocolates. Oh, the one with the halo, the angel one. I love sending that to people. It's about like details from a particular date I went to. That's one date I'm never going to tell them about. And I've received a lot of strange compliments. But I'm going to tell this one pickup line which has been overly used on me. It goes like, I think it's very common. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, but I'm ready to give up on apples if you're the doctor. I could be someone else for a day. Right now, I think I'm very envious of Rohit Khandelwal because he has so many followers and I am trying so hard to get my multimedia page, in focus. So I think I'd just be Rohit Khandelwal for a day and then I tell everyone to follow Manushi Schiller and follow her Miss World page. Oh god, there's so much to see in India. But I think I just take them home. And I think because the best part about India is how hospitable we are and how welcoming we are to our guests. So I take them home, and because I feel monuments they can any day experience, but the feeling of being in India, being with those big loving families where all your papas and chachas and your masi ka, beta ka, so and so, everyone's together and celebrating. I think I want them to experience that. Currently, I don't think I have a lot of credit left thanks to my pageant preparation, but which store? I think it would be a shoe store. I think the Game of Thrones, any day. Winter is coming. Winter is already here. Oh, the Indians are very famous for doing that. The lamest thing I have re-gifted was, so I once got this Hello Kitty photo frame and I was a very girly girl but not the Hello Kitty girly girl, so I passed it on to one of my friends. My parents have really spoiled me, they've never really punished me, so I don't think there would be any. If I get to be a guy for a day, I'd hit on Manushi Schiller. A lot of them actually, but I'll talk about a gift I received recently when I went to school. So my teachers have given me a basket full of notes and I was going through it last night. I think it was the most emotional moment for me because they remember those small instances from my school life and I think I was really touched. What I'd like to advise my 15-year-old self is that I love you and stop taking life so seriously, start living more. But in fact, I was more lively as a 15-year-old and I've done a lot of crazy stuff, but I used to think a lot, which is why I'm so serious and boring now. So I tell her that, be this way 5 years later. My ideal weekend used to be spending time with my family, chilling and meeting my friends. But ever since Miss India, my ideal weekend would be getting 8 hours of sleep. If I had a superpower, I hope I would be able to read minds because I really find humans very interesting creatures, and I feel that they have this whole mystery going around in their minds. So I think I'd like to do that. In fact, from the Lord of the Rings, I think I'd like to be Gandalf. I blush a lot, to be honest, and it's very embarrassing at times. But I think honest compliments make me blush, or sometimes when I get caught saying things that I don't mean, that makes me blush too. If I had to change my name, which I don't want to do because I find my name very, very unique, I I think I wanted to be Manvi instead of Manushi because they both mean the same, and my name means humanity, which is always, I've always thought about it and taken it really seriously. So I think it would be Manvi instead. So I've made a lot of best and worst purchases. I think the best purchase would be recently a pair of shoes. It's a pair of wedges which I bought. I think they're very, very comfortable and I love wearing them everywhere. And the worst would be, I'm sorry but I'm wearing it, this choker, because I got it for 10 times more than I know I would have normally paid for it.